What is up? It's the Cosmic.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and get it up.
Why, hello there. Welcome back to the Anonymous Trader Stockcast. Today, I'm doing a case study on UAVS. As promised, I was going to give you not one but two today. And UAVS is my second choice. Mainly because it's been doing things that I have not expected. Especially since I was playing it right here in the 40s. I played it from 40 to 90. And then I stopped it. I was thinking it was way too overextended going up into that. But it's just keeps popping. And it keeps popping. And this is just one of those stocks. It's a drone company. So let's go down and see what they're about. Ag Eagle Aerial Systems Inc. is a provider of drone imagery data analysis for the precision and sustainable agriculture markets. It designs, produces, distributes, and supports technology advanced small unmanned aerial systems, quote unquote UAVs, that it offers for sale commercially to the Precision Agriculture Company. The company derives revenue from product sales and subscription sales, of which a majority of its revenue is derived from the product sales. So they sell drones and drone cameras, equipment and all that fun stuff. And they were essentially nothing. Whenever they started moving, back here in April 20th, you don't really see a whole lot of news for it. It's like, okay, why? April 15th. The 14th and the 15th is whenever it spiked. And you just don't really see anything. No huge news. But drones were taking off around this time. It was drone plays. It was running in sympathy of drone plays. And then there was speculation of UAVS being bought out by Amazon. And there still is growing speculation with more people digging up DD on, or quote unquote due diligence on Twitter and all that fun stuff. So I encourage you to go and look at this. And I also want to do a disclosure before I go any further that I do not own securities in this stock. What I am saying is purely speculation based off the technical, financial, news, and hype analysis. That's it. That's what I do whenever I look at these stocks to see what my sentiment would be. So y'all do a little bit more research than what I'm giving you here, but this is how I do it. This is how I come to the conclusions. So continuing on, they spiked and then they dropped an offering. Actually, like almost the same day. And yeah, then they dropped another offering on the 27th. April 27th. After it had spiked right here. Came down to 50 cents, back up to almost $1. Then they dropped another offering, and still like they're going up. And this one is mainly because they're expecting positive on their earnings, and their Q1 earnings they actually did pretty well on. But again, the stock just keeps running. It keeps running. You just go through the news and you see it just won't stop. Can't stop. And you may wonder, well, why does this pop and die all the time? And why is it now just on a steady grind up? Well, this is what I see. To tell you the truth, this is the chart that I see. It's a low float runner. All right. These massive pops are both in sympathy and rumor speculation news. with no real back to hold upon. So if you just go ahead and average out those massive pops, it looks like it's on a slow ramp up and consolidating. And now coming back down, found a natural support right here at $1.14, and now it's on its second leg. So this is the very, very initial part of the ramp. Now this right here is the pre-pump. Jumped up to 386 from $1.14. And this was within this past month. And that's showing more legitimate strength than just these 1 or 2 day massive pops. Now it's on a consolidation zone. It actually is coming off of a consolidation zone, and it opened on Friday at around $3 range, but right below $3, and it's at $3.33. $3.90 is the true breakout point, and I think that it could run. This is looking like a bullish flag. Yeah, I mean, here, if you need me to draw it out for you, I can. And then you also have to look at your CCIs. Your CCIs are coming back up and over the 100 index. And a sell point isn't until it gets underneath the 100 index. But it hasn't really proven to go down. And the 50 CCI is still right there. It's at 200. It's still way up. So, with that being said, let's do a little draw tool. Here we go. You got that. And you got your slope down like that. All right. I would put it at the highs. Yeah, let's put it at the high. And then let's take it down the lows from the same day. It's an ascending triangle. It's wanting to go up. Well, it's on an upslope, and it's wedging into this consolidation point. And if it keeps coming into here, it's going to have a breakout. This is a very bullish signal. So, regardless, major resistance that I'm looking at, just bare bone candlestick analysis, is 390. I want to see it break 390 before I consider a good play in it. I know that's a 60-cent jump, but that's fine. If it moves 20%, I'll see it. My alert on my phone will probably be right here at 370. If it breaks 370, then I'll actually take some eyes on it and then look for the best entry. So, and with that being said, look out for its earnings. Q1 earnings were amazing, and Q4 is unconfirmed yet. It's not confirmed. Right now it's set for 8/11, but it's not confirmed. So, and that's Q2. I'm sorry. Q1 was great. Q2, they're just waiting on it. And with that, fam, thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe down below. Comment anything that I miss, any due diligence. This is what I have this for. It's an open platform. So any comments you leave down below, I don't take anything personally. You may call me stupid or I don't do my own research. But hey, if you can back up with more information, I don't care about your salty words. I want your info. So that's all there is to it. Please subscribe. Please check out our subscribe star and help out the anonymous traders grow. We're trying to make this organization really bloom into something very unique, where it's a platform for every type of trader, not just one certain group. And it's an open platform for everybody to teach. So if you're been trading options for 30 years and you know the ins and outs, but you're new to day trading, well, come on, let's learn a little bit about day trading, and then you teach a little bit about options while people are into day trading that want to get into options. It's awesome. So thank you so much, fam. Y'all have a good one. And to use the software that I am using, the link is down in the description, and you can get 25% off if you use that code in our link. So thank y'all so much for watching. Peace.
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I've been on the flex since flex zone. Neighborhood all in your eardrums. I ain't never scared like Bone Crush. Boy, I got God, don't fear none. My line busy, take no calls. Feels like I don't have no flaws. Snakes in the grass, cut those off. Yo, squad shady, my bros raw. No breaks, we go, 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 go. Throw shade, that's a no, 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 no. Go high, go low, low, low. Like spinning in a 644. Cash money like 504. Ball like AD24. No sleep, need more, more, more. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Ooh, I'm a real one, my day ones. Try speak up, can't say none. Try dig dirt, there ain't none. I make the money, then save up. 10 to 80, my save ones. Take to the top on the base one. New car, race on. Fast lane, pace on. Where the booyah, that's a flex. Not a human, I ain't from another planet. I'ma teleport, might vanish. I'ma wake up, do damage. Jordan number 7, East Bordeaux. Working all night, need more though. I remember nights I was poor though. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. You see the drip, yeah, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bus. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.